Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's update. So, probably the main influence today was the first US presidential debate that did cause some moves in stock indices. They were stock index futures. Sorry, we did see some moves lower. Now, this did have a bit of an effect on the ASX, and we can just have a look at it on the 15 minutes to see it best. So, we opened with a move lower, and we had a very sharp move higher, and prices did stop at this resistance point. And then after the influence on stock index futures, we saw a very swift decline, and price ended up dropping, that 155%. So it didn't end up being a very good day on the ASX. Other Asian indexes are mixed. The Nikkei is down, but the Hang Seng was trading higher. And just moving over quickly now to some currency pairs, we did see a bit of a rally in the USD, and we're still seeing some buying from the USD and some selling against risk currencies. The Aussie's slightly lower, with the resistance really being set at that previous low, and that is the 71.44 point. And the Euro as well is similar pattern. It's finding resistance at the previous low around the 1.1757, and the pound as well has resistance at the moment from 1.2864. So all of those three key risk majors to the USD are constantly in a very early formation of possible continuations, but we need to see some further confirmation tonight from sellers that is a possibility, and we can still see that we do have corrective downtrends in play. And while that fast trend has been broken, this could be the starting point for a new downtrend if we do see sellers kick up again tonight and push markets lower. So jumping over to the dollar CAD, we're seeing a strong day so far from the dollar CAD, but we still are really watching this resistance that's all the way up to 34.21. We need to see a break of that area, so that really put some brakes on the last move higher. After we had that nice leg up, we did see that consolidation, so we'll see if buyers are able to break through that point to continue on with the current trend. And just finally, the USD CHF is having a very strong day, fighting back after yesterday's strong move lower, and we're seeing a rally so far of 0.33%. So looking forward to tonight's London session at 5:20 p.m, 20 minutes after London opened. We have the ECB president speaking, so that could have an effect on the euro. And at the moment, it's looking like we're going to have a lower open on European indexes. This is the German 30 at the moment, so resistance remains there from the 12.908 area, and possibility short-term support could come in from this area here. It has been a support point for a fair while now, so if we are able to if sellers do get back down to that 12.547 area, we'll be looking for some fight back from buyers all the way up to really that 12.690 area. So there is plenty of demand in that area for now. And the US 30, similar pattern. We've seen this failed rally higher today, and currently at the moment we're seeing a move lower that is currently just over 1% in total at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see if we do see a further pullback, and after we did see this trend break here, will we see a slide back lower, or will we see a new higher low develop, and could we see a new shot at this current resistance that stands? So we're looking to see mainly one of the prime influences will be the ongoing, the further debates with President Trump and Democratic leader Joe Biden. So that will continue to be a main focus for markets and what's coming out of those discussions. So, and a lot of experts are tipping that the markets are going to get choppy heading into the US election. So could be a little bit more of things to come. So keep an eye on the ECB president at 5:20, and that's really it for today's report. So good trading for the rest of the day, and until the next report, good trading and bye for now.